back to my channel. I'm Ina, and today we're going to tackle the hotspot in the house. I will explain it in a moment. And the plan is to make dinner from all the leftovers from the fridge and use up all the produce that is about to go bad to have a good dinner and plan ahead as well. So here, this is a hotspot in the house. So hotspot is where things just pile up. Like you blink and there's a whole mess. There's things on the floor. Things that just gather together instantly because this is our garage door. And things, when we come in, they just go on the floor or somewhere because we're thinking what to do with them, or work clothes for my husband. So it's just one of those hot spots I have to clean regularly. And here I'm just getting rid of small things and cleaning it up because it just, the flat surface over there just gathers so many little pieces of things. It's incredible, but I'm working on it, trying to find ways that we could have things home for little things like this, especially when we are super in a hurry trying to get in and out. But one of the recommendations about the hotspots in the house, just dedicate 2-3 minutes a day just to deal with that hotspot. Sometimes those things just there's no way to avoid them unless you're instantly putting away things. But one thing is, we just have to work on the hotspots regularly, unfortunately, to keep our house nice and tidy. Right now I'm just disinfecting because there's just a whole bunch of things coming up in that area, and old dust that I haven't really looked into it or wiping for a while. Just cleaning it up, making it super nice, getting the laundry basket out of the way, out of the living room, dining room. And now we're going to be moving on to an easy dinner idea. In a previous video on my channel, I was cleaning up a fridge and organizing. So that one is a very satisfying video for before and after. So check it out after this. And here I'm just gonna use up a lot just to make a salad because so many things are getting bad, and I knew I had to use it all up. So easy thing is to use what you have. Salads are so easy. You can put literally anything in them. So today I'm just gonna be using leftover romaine lettuce, just celery, bell peppers, just everything I have to make a nice salad. On my channel, I'll be sharing a lot of dinner ideas or breakfast or whatnot. I'm just a simple cook. I don't cook anything complicated, and I just want something fast and easy because I work late, and usually I actually cook dinner around 9-10 p.m. honestly. So for me, if it's fast, it's always a good idea. And my husband loves celery, so I'm actually using all the celery for his salad. And I'm actually making 2 salads because obviously we're not gonna finish one, and it's so easy if you don't put any condiments in there. You just the salad would be just fine in 2-3 days if you just have the dry ingredients, so you can use it for the next few days. So the water is boiling for the egg noodles that I have, and they are so easy to cook. They're so good. I get mine in the Russian markets, or you can go to a European market or Russian stores, and that's what they're called. But those egg noodles are so good. I'll show you in a moment how it looks like. Just chopping up some parsley into the salad just to make it more healthy, because parsley is super healthy for you. So if you can add this to your salad anytime, do it. It has so much vitamin E, very healthy for your body. Today I'm actually going to try something new with the carrots. Honestly, I haven't tried this before, and I just wanted the carrots to be kind of like soft and easy to chew in the salad. So here is the egg noodles. This is how they look like. They cook within like 5-10 minutes, really fast. So the noodles went to, boiling water, and I'm just adding some salt to it and let them cook. Now I'm going to use the same peeler to keep peeling the carrots and obviously eating them. I think it's like somehow I want those veggies right when I cook them. Pretty sure I'm not the only one. Comment below if you're the same. So I'm just peeling it, and it's actually super thin and soft, and then I'll be cutting them in those, smaller pieces. And it works so good because now they're not super hard carrots, and like not, can't put a fork in it, but this one is perfect. See, I'm just cutting up in the smaller sections, and it tasted really good. So that was really awesome and an easy way to add your carrots to your salad. So now it's just time to clean up. And I love that I have this, a bag for just all the leftovers, and so it's easier, so I don't run back and forth to the garbage can, so everything is in there. So I'm actually adding a lot of bell peppers to both of the salads because they were just going bad, and I knew I have to use those up as soon as I can. So I'm just finishing up the salad and going to do the dishes, packing it up right before dinner so everything is out of the way, out of the sink, and after we're done with dinner I can put in all the dirty dishes right away so that at least the kitchen is clean right before dinner, and it'll be nice, and more like much faster to clean up after dinner. Just clean up the sink to make it nice for the morning. I'm trying to build this new habit of having no dishes in the sink each night. It's hard. I don't know why it's hard to put the dishes into the dishwasher right away. I'm learning. Now this is the finished product. So we have the noodles and salad ready. My husband's finishing up corn that is also almost going bad, so I just put it in a cup for him. But now this table is clean. The rest of the pile is going to be deciding, my husband will be deciding if he wants to keep this. So now I'm just setting the dinner and putting up the candles to make it all a little bit more romantic and ready for us. I also microwaved some sausages, so we have some meat on the side there, and just making it cute and good evening for both of us. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, comment below, and check out my other videos soon. Bye.